Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Mischief again. I did just make a video about this project, but the video went over long actually, and I did have a few technical difficulties with the lag. So we're going to go through this in about 4 minutes just to explain the platform to you in clear description so that everyone can understand it. So it is called MintStakeShare, and the chart is going absolutely crazy. From when we were talking about it, we were just about here at 0.001. We're already up to 0.004. So that's 4x in the space of an hour. It is similar to Drip, is what I was saying before, but with one great function. It uses BNB on the Binance Smart Chain to go in, and to join, you have two options, right? You can either mint the tokens go up in price the more that we buy the token or mint the token. You can see as the supply increases, the price will increase. The next increase will happen when 677,000 tokens are bought. At the moment, 0.1 BNB will get you 11,000 tokens. This will get more and more expensive. Now pay attention to here, which I didn't talk about. Swap is cheaper. At the moment, you can get 30%, 37% more tokens if you swap instead. If you want to swap, you just come here to swap, sign up to the BuyFlues or sign into the BuyFlues, or go to PancakeSwap using the contract address, which you can find in the docs. Then you can actually swap this for cheaper at the moment. So be careful with either swapping here or minting, get the better price for it. What you can then do is come to the stake section. This is where you can lock your tokens in and get yourself daily rewards. You can see I have $1,000 now. My aim was $1,000 with 256,000 tokens. I would like now to get 1,000 tokens is my immediate aim. Now, when you lock your tokens in here as an ROI Dapp style, you can only get out your collected, or you can compound. You can compound at 1% daily, so 2% daily. So for example, I have 64 tokens available at the moment. I can compound them. That's a 2% daily rate. Or I can claim them out at 1% daily, which means 50% of them are basically burned, I'm gonna say, right? So I could collect and get 32. I could compound and get 64. This is a great little function that's been added, which is very different to everything else I've seen. It's bullish because we started the stream and we were 20 users. I got into this when there was like 16 users, and now there's 53 users. There is $6 million staked, or 6 million tokens so far, which is $27,000 staked at the moment. And one of the best things about this Dapp is definitely the referral system, which gives you double rewards. You get a 3-tier reward, minting reward, in BNB. So if you refer someone with your link, you can use the short URL link here, which is pretty handy. When someone mints with that, you will get 5% of that BNB. But then if someone goes in under your referral, then you get 2.5. And if someone goes in under that referral, I believe you get 1.5 as well. 3-tier referral. And then if they stake those tokens under your referral, you will get a 1-tier referral bonus going into your deposits as well. That's double rewards, 3-tier on one side and 1-tier on the other side. Unbelievable ecosystem, right? This on the roadmap for this in the doc section, which we did go over in a lot of detail in this video. If you want to check the long video, please go and check it and press the like, right? They are also going to be going onto base chain, cross chain in the future. That's on their roadmap. Is great too, and then multi-chain from there as well. Big ambition for this, very early days. Get into their Telegram, which is here, get into their Twitter as well and join the conversation. This is MintStakeShare, brand new, launched today. Quite excited. I like when a chart does that. Who doesn't, right? Early days, liquidity is 23,000. The market cap is only 30,000 at the moment, and we are up 200% almost in the first just starting of this day. This just launched today in July, right? So July 24th, which is the token has been out since the 1st of July, but now it's finally 21st, but it started pumping today. So we got the pump, but the token has been around. I guess they were testing it, who knows? But anyway, that is MintStakeShare. Get checking it out. This is not financial advice. I think you should do your own research before joining any high risk, high return Dapp, but it is made by the makers of Ball Money. The dev is trusted. He has made many dApps. They have never been exploited, and he's always done a very good job at devin. And happy to be talking about a brand new project, which I hope can mint great things for us in the future. Let's see what the staking rewards on this will look like in the morning, next week, and the weeks ahead. Peace, Crypto Mischief. Hope you enjoyed this quick overview of this platform. Do your own research, check it all out, like, subscribe, all that jazz. And don't get wrecked, of course.